Pickup to input the pickup location of your item. Tap Destination to input the destination of your item. Select your desired category. Tap Describe your item to add a description of your item. Tap the checkbox beside your item. Select the quantity of your item, input description, and tap Total once satisfied. Tap Receiver Phone Number to input the phone number of the receiver of the item. Tap on the corresponding image for your selected category. Tap Book Now. Wait for a delivery agent to accept your request. Tasker is arriving at your pickup location. Tasker has arrived at your pickup location. Tasker is arriving at drop-off destination. Tasker has arrived at drop-off destination. Select the appropriate rating for your tasker and tap Rate. Tap Pay Now to decide to pay from your HapiHyper balance or by cash.